In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best hashtags for Facebook. Before you open anything, get crystal clear on your topic, ask yourself what the post is really about, and what angle your audience cares about. Are you sharing a quick tip, a product update, an event, or a story? Clarity here helps you search smarter and choose hashtags that match your content and audience intent. Now open Facebook on your desktop or in the app and make sure you're on the home or search screen. You don't need any special tools, everything happens inside Facebook. Head to the search bar at the top and type a hashtag related to your topic. Include the pound symbol like have social media tips or have local bakery. Start with a broad idea, then try more specific variations. As you type, watch how the results change. When you press enter, look at what shows up. Check how many posts use that hashtag and scan a handful of recent posts. You're looking for relevance and activity. If a hashtag has massive volume but the results feel off topic or spammy, it may not help. If it's extremely niche with almost no activity, it might be too quiet. Aim for a healthy middle, active, relevant, and used by people or pages similar to yours. After you search, Facebook will suggest similar hashtags in the drop down and on the results page. Use these to explore angles you might have missed, synonyms, location-based tags, or category variations. Click through a few to compare the kind of content they attract. This is a quick way to build a small targeted set. From what you found, write down 3 to 5 hashtags that closely match your post. Mix one broad tag with a few niche ones to balance reach and relevance. Keep a simple list in your notes so you can reuse and refine it over time. Avoid long strings of hashtags. On Facebook, fewer, highly relevant tags usually perform better and look cleaner. Create your new post and add those hashtags. Work them naturally into your caption or place them at the end for readability. Make sure the language of your post clearly aligns with the tags you chose. If you want broader reach, set the audience to public so people outside your friends or followers can discover it through the hashtags. When everything looks good, click post. After it's live, keep an eye on the early engagement to learn which hashtags are pulling their weight, and use those insights the next time you repeat this process.